This is a quite time-consuming question. They give you a circle and also 2 points, and then we have to verify those statements which are correct or wrong. And then before we start, we must know the detail about the circle first. For the circle, we must find out the center and also radius in order to draw the approximate position. So that's why the first item is to find out their center and also radius. The center is -2 divided by -2, positive a divided by -2. X coefficient divided by -2, y coefficient divided by -2, which means that this is 1 and -4. Now about the radius, you must memorize the formula, and then which is the x coordinate of center, or -2 divided by -2 square, and then together with y coefficient positive a divided by -2 square, and then minus f, which is -8 here. We follow our own step, we get 1 square, and then plus -4 square, and then plus 8. Finally, we get 5 here. So I can approximately draw the graph. The center, we go right and then we go down by 4. And then the radius is 5, which means that after we go up, we still have 1 left here. So it's reached around here. The circle approximates like this, and then we are talking about 2 points, -2, 0. I'm not sure that it's inside or outside. And then also 4, -6. So 4, -6 may be somewhere here. Now we try to verify the sentence. The center of the circle line is second quadrant. So we are talking about this. The quadrant, this is the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. We count from polar axis anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is lying in fourth quadrant, but not the second quadrant. The first statement is wrong. Afterward, we have to find out the midpoint of AB, see whether it's lying inside the circle. So find out the midpoint of AB first. A is -2, 0. B is 4, -6. And then midpoint is talking about the average of each coordinate. So midpoint is -2 plus 4 divided by 2, 0 minus 6 divided by 2. We get 1 and then -3 here. And 1, -3 is somewhere around here. If we plus 5 the radius, we find that the highest point is 1, because -4 go up 5 steps. So -3 is definitely within the range. This is midpoint. So we ensure that that point is lying inside circle. But if it is not that serious that they have the same x coordinate, then you have to find out the exact distance between midpoint and center, and then compare with the radius, see which one is longer. If the distance is shorter than the radius, which means that it's lying inside. If it's too far away, the distance between the midpoint and center is larger than 5, which means it's lying outside. So they say if D is the center of circle, AD and BD, are they perpendicular to each other? So we mark D here. D is 1, -4. In order to know whether they are perpendicular, the best method is to calculate D to A slope and also D to B slope. See whether they are perpendicular to each other. And to have some preparation, we copy down the coordinates vertically. And D is 1, -4. We try to consider slope AD first. So we have 0 minus -4, and then over our x difference is -2 minus 1. It's 4 over -3. At the same time, slope BD, we compare these two, our y difference, -6 minus -4. X difference, 4 minus 1. So we have -2 over 3 here. And then if we multiply them together, we are going to see whether they are -1. If their product are -1, which means they are perpendicular. If not, that means they're not. So slope AD times slope BD, we get positive 8/9, which is not equal to -1. So we don't agree the first statement, and the answer is B.